Keep a tight lip. Understanding the phrase. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, keep a tight lip. This phrase is a staple in English conversations, and understanding it can really enhance your language skills. So, let's dive into what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Keep a tight lip is an idiomatic expression in English. To keep a tight lip means to remain silent or to be very discreet in speaking. It's often used in situations where sharing information might be harmful, unnecessary, or when secrecy is important. This phrase emphasizes the importance of self-control in communication, particularly in sensitive or confidential matters. Understanding the origin of idioms can make them easier to remember. The phrase, keep a tight lip, likely comes from the literal act of keeping your lips firmly closed to prevent speaking. It's a metaphorical way of suggesting that one should keep their mouth shut to avoid revealing information or opinions. The exact origin of the phrase is unclear, but it has been a part of English vernacular for many years. Let's see some examples to understand how to use keep a tight lip in different contexts. 1. In a professional setting, during the company merger, all employees were advised to keep a tight lip about the details. 2. In personal situations, when Emma asked about the surprise party, I had to keep a tight lip to not ruin the surprise. 3. In a sensitive context, the detective told the witness to keep a tight lip about the ongoing investigation. It's important to avoid common mistakes when using this phrase. Remember, keep a tight lip is used in contexts requiring secrecy or discretion. It's not used for general advice about being quiet. Also, don't confuse it with similar phrases like, keep it under your hat, or keep mum, which have slightly different connotations. And there you have it. Now you know all about the phrase, keep a tight lip. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.